Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to use WhatsApp for marketing of fertilizer shop. So let's take an example that you are a fertilizer shop owner. You have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you are running ads on that page. A lot of people are showing interest in your fertilizer shop business advertisement, and with those ads you are getting lots of entries and leads on daily basis. But you are unable to reply or message to those leads and lose lots of potential clients. Now you want to reply to all those leads on their WhatsApp along with a brochure or flyer link of your business. In this way, you will be able to interact with each and every lead quickly, which can ultimately bring more sales and profit to your business. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of the leads from the Facebook lead ad form, compose a message in WhatsApp, attach your fertilizer shop brochure and send it to the customers. But this will be a time-consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes difficult when you have large number of leads in a single day. So how you are going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever a customer fills the Facebook lead ad form, automatically your fertilizer shop brochure will be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. But here there is a problem, that there is no direct connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook lead ads with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my Facebook page, Agro Fertilizers. This is the Facebook lead ad form, and this is the form actually looks like. This is the agro brochure which I have saved into my Google Drive, and this is the WhatsApp number of a customer. So now I want that whenever a customer fills this particular form, automatically my fertilizer brochure should be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer over here. So let us just fill the form over here and let's give the full name as Adam Smith. Let's give the phone number over here and let's give the email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com. Let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you are all set. Okay, now let us check the WhatsApp number of this customer. And here I can find a new message. Hello Adam Smith, thank you for showing your interest in agro fertilizers. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. You can find all the services which we offer in our fertilizer shop. A link is mentioned. For more details, you can visit our website. A website link is given. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards Agro Fertilizers. Okay, so a message is displayed on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Now let us check this link also, what is there inside this link. And here I can find the agro brochure is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So now here you might be wondering that I just filled the Facebook lead ad form over here and automatically a message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer along with the business brochure. It is the agro fertilizer brochure. So how did I manage to send this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps and anyone can do this very easily. So I'm going to show you the steps now. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect and we have to create an integration between Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads. Step 2. Collect the data from Facebook lead ads form in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Facebook lead ads form. Step 3. Send the brochure to the lead on WhatsApp via 360 Dialog. So whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Facebook lead ad forms, the same data will be used and your fertilizer shop brochure will be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we are going to use 360 Dialog software application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way, we are going to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you're the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on Sign In. In the All Apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on Access Now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on Create Workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So let us give the workflow name as How to Use WhatsApp for Marketing of Fertilizer Shop. You can give the workflow name as per your requirement. And now let's click on Create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever the customer fills the Facebook lead ad form, automatically your fertilizer shop brochure should be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here in the trigger window, we have to select the application name as Facebook lead ads. In the trigger event, we have to select new lead. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. And then click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. And now Facebook lead ads are connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the page that we have created on the Facebook account and the lead generation form that we have created on this particular page to capture the leads. So I'll just go to the Facebook page and the page name is Agro Fertilizers. This is the business name and this is the Facebook. Okay, the page is getting loaded over here. Okay, so Agro Fertilizers, it is the Facebook lead ad form. So I'll just go to Pabbly Connect and I'll just select both of them, that is Agro Fertilizers. And here the lead generation form is automatically captured. Just because I have created just single form in this particular page, if you have created multiple forms, so from the drop down you can select the form whatever you want to select. Okay. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first we have to go to this particular form and we have to create a test lead so that it is going to capture the response. Because after clicking on save and send test request, it is going to capture the recent response. So I'll just take you to the form. And here, let us just fill the details as 𝗏𝙗𝙬𝗏. I'll just give the phone number over here. And let's give the email address as 𝗏𝙗𝙬𝗏25@gmail.com. Click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, go to Pabbly Connect and now let's click on save and send test request. And here we can see the responses received and the data which we have filled in the form, that is the name 𝗏𝙗𝙬𝗏, her phone number and the email address is captured over here. Now we want to send the fertilizer shop brochure to this customer on this WhatsApp number. For that we have to come to this action window, click on this and here in the application name let us select 360 Dialog. Here in the action event let us select send template message. Click on connect. Here you have to click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 Dialog account. Log into your 360 Dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on Generate API Key button. Okay, so let's go to 360 Dialog account. So this is the dashboard of 360 Dialog account. I have added the link of 360 Dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 Dialog application and get 360 Dialog service at a very affordable price than the actual price. Here we have to come to WhatsApp accounts and here we can find Generate API Key option. So simply click on Generate API Key, generate the API key, copy that API key, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key over here. Now once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for various different connections and workflows. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. And after pasting the API key, come to domain. Let us read the instructions. Enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. Example is also given. So we have to simply copy this example and we have to paste the example over here. Now whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. In your case, if you get some other domain name, please paste it over here. After pasting API key and domain, simply click on save. As I have already generated the API key and I have already created a connection, so I'll just go to this option, select existing connection and I'll click on save. And now 360 Dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. As we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template. We have to get it approved, and once it is approved, the messages can be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. That is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. For that, I'll just take you to my 360 Dialog account, and here we can find Manage Templates option. Click on this. Now here you can find I have created several templates and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, come to this plus sign and click on Add Template. Here you can give the template name. From here you can select the template category. There are various categories available over here. You can select it as per your choice. And here you can select the language. Here you can select the template type. And here you can give the body text, the message that you want to send on the WhatsApp number. Then click on Preview and Submit. Then it will be going for the approval. And once it is approved, you can use this template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So I'll simply close this template and I'll just open the one which I have already created and got it approved. That is Send Brochure Final. Now here you can see I have given some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in curly braces. So why these numbers are in the curly braces? These are the body fields, and the values of these body fields are going to change every time. Hello, here we want the name of the customer. So the customer name is going to change every time. So in this way the values will be changing. Now let us read this template. Hello, here we want the name of the customer. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here your fertilizer shop name is going to come. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. You can find all the services which we offer in our, again your fertilizer shop name can come over here. Link, your brochure link or your flyer link can be mentioned here. More details, you can visit our website. Website address can be mentioned over here. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, and here again your fertilizer shop name is going to come. So here we are going to use this template Send Brochure Final in Pabbly Connect. So let us just find the same over here. Now we can see the namespace and the language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything over here. Now recipient mobile number. So recipient will be the customer who is going to receive the message on his WhatsApp number. So we have got the customer details here from the Facebook lead ad forms. This is the mobile number and this is the full name. So we are going to map these details now. So let us just map the details here. Recipient mobile number, let's go to Facebook lead ads, and from here let us map this mobile number. Body field 1, example Heather Ali. Here in the template body field 1, hello, we want the name of the customer. So let us map the customer name now. So we'll come to Facebook lead ads and let us map the customer name 𝗏𝗏. Now body field 2, example Pabbly Connect. Here in the template, body field 2 is thank you for showing your interest in. Here your business name is going to come and the business name is Agro Fertilizers. So we have to give the same name here in Pabbly Connect, that is Agro Fertilizers. Body field 3, example software. Here in the template, body field 3 is meanwhile you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. We can find all the services which we offer in our fertilizer shop we can give. So I'll just type the same over here, that is fertilizer shop. Okay, I'll make the F small. Okay. Now body field 4, example is given a link. Here in the template also we need the link of the brochure. So I have just uploaded the brochure, agro brochure, in my Google Drive. So I'll simply make a right click on this and I'll click on share option. Here I can find get link option. Click on copy link. Go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the link over here. Okay. Now body field 5, example website address. Here in the template also we need website address. So you can give your website address here in Pabbly Connect. In place of website address, I'll just go to the Facebook page and I'll copy this URL and I'll just paste the same URL over here. Okay. Now body field 6, example Pabbly, that's the name of a company. Here in the template, thank you, regards, here your business name is going to come once again. And the business name was Agro Fertilizers. So we have to simply give the same name over here also. Okay. And now let's click on save and send. test request. Response is received. Now let's go to WhatsApp and check whether the customer has received any message or not. And here we can see a new message. Hello 𝗏𝙬𝗫𝗯𝗋 𝗼𝙪, thank you for showing your interest in agro fertilizers. One of our team members will contact you shortly. So the same message is sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer that was displayed in the template. So here we can see this was the first parameter, 𝗏𝙬𝗫𝗯𝗋. The second value of the body field we have given was agro fertilizers. Third we have given was the fertilizer shop. Fourth we have given was the link. Fifth we have given was the website address. And the last value we have given was agro fertilizers, that is the business name once again. So in this way we can see that all the values of the body fields are correctly displayed over here. Now let us check this link also. And here I can find the agro brochure which is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. Okay. So now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us just save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. Now we have to check this in the real time. For that again we have to go to the Facebook lead ad forms and we have to create one more lead over there. So I have filled the details over here. Full name Aakash Kapoor. I have given the phone number over here and email address as aakash44@gmail.com. Now let's click on next. Submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, now let us check the WhatsApp number of the customer. And here we can find a new message. Hello Aakash Kapoor, thank you for showing your interest in agro fertilizers. One of our team members will contact you shortly. So the same message is sent on the WhatsApp number of this particular customer, that is Aakash Kapoor also. Now let us check this link once again. And here I can find the agro brochure. It is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine and the correct messages along with the brochure link are going on the WhatsApp number of the customers. Now here an important information I want to share, that you can see the data it has captured immediately, but sometimes this may take some time in fetching the data, as the trigger here, that is the Facebook lead ads, is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that and please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. So now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case, we want that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your fertilizer shop brochure should be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So in this way, we have created a successful integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.